Come on then now.
Oh, you have seen me now. I'm coming to the office. I'm coming to the office. I'm coming to my office. Now, shouldn't I come to the office again?
We meant to understand that you'll be going to report at the police headquarters today. Is that true?
Yeah.
Sir.
Yes.
All right, sir.
So what was your discussion with the police that led to you going there today?
I don't have any discussion with the police.
You don't know why you're going to the police?
I'm going to them.
We can't grant anything.
No, it's not interview. It's not interview.
Comrades, you will speak at the appropriate time. We're just arriving.
Please, you wait.
Well, comrades, we are waiting for our lawyers. The Youth Council, the House of Convocation will be present.
This one has been a teller. Even if I get up, you can't even be president. I don't want to give on him. So please, I want our agreement that it's either Ajaero or nobody as the president of the Union of Congress. I want to thank you on behalf of the that position. I will go in our way in a very civil manner. At least we are happy. Ajaero is not a congress of not anybody. So we cannot afford to make 2 years ago. They told us they have the name of this local and covering them. Till now, they don't know the average Nigerians. So,
let the president. Okay, all NAC members. The NLC NAC members are those
if you are way behind, I can assure you we are not going to belong. I can assure you we are not going to belong. Because the president is innocent of all the monstrous allegations leveled against him. So please bear with us. We'll be in touch with you. We'll rush there now and come back. Thank you very much.
Forever, for the union makes us strong. There is victory for us. There is victory for us. In the struggle for our members, there is victory for us. Forward,
They want to go live.
Madam, I beg.
People's president. Go, you are coming.
People's president.
You can never lie.
People's president. People's president.